Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to embed live spreadsheet from Google Sheets into Google Documents. Open Google Sheets file that you need. Select the data that you want to copy and right-click on it. Choose Copy from the list. Click on File at the top left corner of the window. Choose New from the list and click on Document. A new tab with Google Document file will open. Right-click in the Google document. Choose Paste from the list. You will see a pop-up appear. Check Link to Spreadsheet option. Click on Paste. Let's make some changes in the Google Sheets file. We will change the color of the table row. Go back to the Google document file. Hover over it and click on Update button. You will see the same changes appear in the Google document file. If you paste the data and choose Paste Unlinked in the pop-up window, the document won't be linked to the Google Sheets. So, if you make any changes in the Google Sheets, you will not see it in the Google document. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!